This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Loretta Martin. Discover your dream home in the heart of Oakland, a 3 or 4 bedroom home with a split floor plan. The primary suite impresses with coffered ceilings, luxury bath, and plentiful natural light. The kitchen is equipped with granite countertops, soft close cabinets, island, and premium appliances. Enjoy outdoor entertaining on a spacious patio overlooking a large, fully fenced backyard. For more information, review the details below or contact Loretta Martin at 901-861-4808.